Building muscle isn't just about lifting heavy weights, it's about doing it the right way. But even with the best intentions, many people make common mistakes that hold them back. In this video, we'll reveal 5 muscle-building mistakes you're probably making and, most importantly, how to fix them to maximize your results. The first mistake? Not eating enough calories. Building muscle requires energy, and if you're not in a calorie surplus, your body doesn't have the fuel to grow. Many people think they can gain muscle while eating like they're on a diet, but it doesn't work that way. The fix? Start tracking your food intake and aim for a slight caloric surplus, around 250 to 500 extra calories per day, while focusing on nutrient-dense foods. Mistake number 2, neglecting protein intake. Protein is the building block of muscle, and without enough of it, you're leaving gains on the table. If you're not hitting at least 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight, your muscle recovery and growth will suffer. The fix? Prioritize protein-rich foods like chicken, fish, eggs, and plant-based options, or supplement with a high-quality protein powder if needed. Next up, overtraining or skipping rest days. It's tempting to think that more is better, but when it comes to muscle growth, recovery is just as important as training. Without proper rest, your muscles can't repair and grow stronger. The fix? Incorporate at least 1 or 2 rest days per week and focus on getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Remember, growth happens during recovery, not during the workout. The fourth mistake is poor exercise form. If you're lifting heavy, but your form is sloppy, you're not only increasing your risk of injury, but you're also not targeting the muscles effectively. The fix? Take the time to learn proper form for each exercise, even if it means reducing the weight. Quality reps are far more important than simply moving heavy loads. Finally, mistake number 5, lack of progression. Many people get stuck in a plateau because they keep lifting the same weights and doing the same routines. Without progressive overload, gradually increasing the stress on your muscles, you won't see growth. The fix? Track your workouts and aim to lift slightly heavier weights or increase your reps and sets over time. Consistent progression is the key to muscle growth. To recap, avoid these 5 muscle-building mistakes: not eating enough, neglecting protein, overtraining, poor form, and lack of progression. Fixing these will help you see faster, more sustainable results in the gym. Now it's your turn. Take these tips and put them into action. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Burn and Balance, and let us know in the comments which mistake you're working to fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.